What's going on, everybody? Today I got these ND filters and a polarized filter from CYNOVA. Wanted to give you a close-up and unboxing of what's included in this kit. So this kit is actually going to come with a polarized lens, an ND8, 16, and a 32. As we take a quick look at this lens, the quality is just literally outstanding. We actually have a nice matte black finish that is a really nice high quality metal, and you'll also see the rings around here. It's made with like a silicone grippy material that is going to go right over your GoPro lens, and it's going to stay to it just from being a little bit tight, and it's going to stay right on. One thing to note, these are not for going underwater. Now this glass is actually made with a special glass, and this is going to be an AGC glass that's going to be oil proof, waterproof, and scratch resistant. Let's take a look here at the polarized lens, and this is going to be the one that is the least amount dark, and these are really good for glare proof. Honestly, I like using these for shooting car windows because there's always a glare on a car window, and if you use a polarized lens like this, that glare will go away most of the time, and it'll be such a cleaner, crispier shot. Now these ND filters are basically just sunglasses for your camera. So basically all this is going to do is just limit the amount of light that goes into your camera lens, and you can adjust your aperture and your exposure on your camera without sacrificing the picture quality and the depth and color of your image that you're trying to shoot. Not only does this work well with pictures, but you can also take video with this, and it'll really help your shot be super crispy, give you the best optimal shot in all kinds of different lighting. So overall in this kit, it is going to come with 4 different lenses, and they're going to be very high quality, very durable, and last you a long time. I definitely highly recommend these if you upload any of your footage to social media. This is going to make your images stand out and just look so much more crispy and really nice for the viewer to see. It's not going to have an overexposed image. It's really going to regulate your image and make it look very nice, saturated, full of color, and a lot of depth of field. Check these out for yourself and see why a lot of camera photographers and videographers use ND filters and polarized lenses. Thanks for watching. I highly recommend these. Go and check it out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.